Hello everyone. Today we are going to see solution for data extraction from invoice documents using Aspect. Now on the screen you can see some invoices that we have used for the data extraction solution from invoice documents. Now these present a quite unique challenge of data extraction techniques because the document that you see is a semi-structured document. Sometimes the header data is present in key value pairs, or it could be free text also. The footer data or the line and level data could be present in tables. Not importantly, the table might have certain layout as such. It might be present or absent in most of the cases. And then again, the document quality or the variability in invoices, because the vendors could run into thousands for most of the enterprises. Catering to such very huge variation and huge volume presents a lot of challenges. Consistent less accuracy because less understanding of the context of these documents, uh, and then the combination of data that is available within documents. So to address all these challenges in the market, we have used Aspect and integrated it with large language models that could be fine-tuned and trained on top of this custom data with very less samples, to extract the data out of this with very high precision accuracy on a consistent basis. We'll quickly jump onto the demo. So this is the platform. I've opened one invoice processing solution that we have created. Predominantly there are three important sections. One is configuration, where you do all the configuration, like adding the entities, setting up the data pipeline, which and how that you want the data to be extracted out of this. These are all the cognitive as well as processing function Aspect plus supports. We are using text processor. We have integrated with market leading hyperscalers to do the OCR of the text, and then we will use a custom large language model to extract this data out of this. Now once you do the configuration, you hit the train solution section where you do the supervised learning. For example, for first of all, you ingest the documents. You could do this using any of your local storages if you have data available locally, or you could use any of the external storages if the data is stored there. Once the documents are ingested, you could actually open this, and this is how the annotations are performed. Let's say you want to annotate a buyer name, so you can actually select this and select the buyer name. This is nothing but the entity that we have configured here, and it will be automatically selected over here. You do this and you save this, and once these are saved, you could actually use these documents to train a machine learning model, in this case a large language model. And once the documents are trained, you could deploy the model and you could start processing the documents. Now this is an overview screen where you can see the overall document level accuracy. We have ingested some of the documents manually and we have processed these, so you can see we are able to achieve a good accuracy over here on a consistent basis, and you can see the status of the documents also here. I'll quickly open one of the documents. Here on the left hand side you can see the actual original image. On the right hand side you can see the extracted text. Now the empty ones that you are seeing are basically the entities that were not present in this document. Rest of the entities which were present, it has extracted with a good precision, and it also shows you from which page number it has extracted this data as well. If you think this data is not correct, you can do the quality check here in the screen as well, like this, and it will be automatically recorded, and next time onwards it will be trained on top of this particular file, and it will be then with a higher precision extract the data next time when we are trying to process similar kind of document. Now the data that you have either done quality check or not done quality check, if you want to automatically push it to any external database store or any of the local computer, that we can do, or the data could be then ingested using APIs, and then it could be then pushed back to any of the ERP system downstream to consume this data as well.